What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Miles. I just wanted to shoot this quick video before I head into work. I need to make my county updates more frequently here because, I started this YouTube channel. I started going down this route on YouTube just so I could track my own progress, my own processes, systems, and everything. Because there was no roadmap when I decided to become county commissioner. There's no guide. I don't have any formal training. And so the route I decided to go is like, okay, we're gonna learn from the people that are currently in the space. We're gonna take what they do and apply it to, my natural way of operation. And so here we are. But I realized in my first term and through my first year, my second term, is that I didn't document anything that I've already done. So now I'm this far and I'm like, dang, I'm trying to look back at what I did, or all I got is pictures. I don't really have videos of explaining what happened or explaining how I did it or how it happened, how this led to that. A lot of things could have been written down or even video recorded. Something as simple as popping the phone up. And so, yeah, I'm gonna listen to my intuition. I'm gonna listen to God. I'm gonna just prop the phone up and just start doing these videos more and more. Now, I haven't done a video in a while, but it just prompted me this morning. I just felt like a real urge to do a video. So either way, I wanted to talk about, let's just go into this real quick, the Ingham County hotel motel tax. Now, this will not increase, again, this will not increase your property taxes in Ingham County. The hotel motel tax is literally an increase on the taxes of people that stay in Ingham County at a hotel. Let me slow down. That does not include Airbnb as of this moment. Now, let me double check on that, but I'm pretty sure they're not included. If they are, that would be great. But this is an increase on the tax at the hotels and motels countywide. So East Lansing, Lansing, Hope, South Lansing, Okemos, all those hotels. I mean, there's probably more. I'm just naming off the, the hot spots. Waverly is not Ingham County. That's Egan County, if you don't know. All right. So let's get a little bit deeper into it. It's going back on the ballot. It failed the last time. I think it was because of the language that we put on the ballot. But this is not an increase to tax to individuals who live in Ingham County. Only if you stay overnight. So if I decide I'm gonna take my wife and we're gonna go stay at the hotel, there's an increase in that cost. But overall, no. Now, if you go to Chicago or Grand Rapids, you look at that bill, you'd be like, ooh, right? That tax. So there are not a lot of counties that have a high tax, but we recognize that we have some venues, we have some events, we have a sure need for tourism in the county region, and so our goal is to make sure that passes on the ballot. Now, this is me talking as Miles Johnson. All right, even though I said we, I do not speak for the county board in this current video. All right, I'm just educating and updating y'all on my experiences and what I've been learning. Okay. Other than that, I don't have anything else that comes off the top of my mind, but I appreciate y'all for listening. If you did get to the end, to the next video. Peace.